Replacement third brake light, newest technology third brake light with LED for parking and brake light function. PC designed full linked boards ensure longer lifetime and reliable performance. Full LED light source, rear high brake light and reverse light are all in one. It can provide the great vision and brake, reverse indication for your 1992 to 1996 Ford Bronco, 1994 to 1996 Ford F150, 1994 to 1997 Ford F250 F350 Super Duty with 4, 9L5, 0L5, 8L7, 3L7.5L engine. Applications. For 1994 Ford F150 tail lights, 1995 Ford F150 tail lights, 1996 Ford F150 tail lights, 1994 Ford F250 tail lights, 1995 Ford F250 tail lights, 1996 Ford F250 tail lights, 1997 Ford F250 tail lights, 1994 Ford F350 tail lights, 1995 Ford F350 tail lights, 1996 Ford F350 tail lights, 1997 Ford F350 tail lights, 1992 1993 Ford Bronco tail lights, 1994 Ford Bronco tail lights, 1995 Ford Bronco tail lights, 1996 Ford Bronco tail lights. Please check the fitment before ordering. Premium quality foam padded back of your Ford F150 F250 F350 Bronco enhances water resistance, making sure the light will work perfectly in any bad weather like rainy, snowy, foggy. Full LED light source, high mount third brake light with brake light and reverse light all in one, including 6 brake lights and 8 reverse lights which provide full brightness for a great indication to enhance driving and avoid rear-end accident. Easy installation. Direct plug and play. Tips. It is suggested to use the factory hardware, mounting screws, and remove the nuts on the back of the light. This will help it to fit very flush and tight to the truck. Easy fix for removing any space and making a great fit. 2 year warranty. This cargo lamp for Ford pickups complete with a 2-year warranty. If you have any problem when using this LED third stop light assembly on your 94, 95, 96 Ford F150 third brake light, 94, 95, 96, 97 Ford F250 third brake light, 94, 95, 96, 97 Ford F350 third brake light, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 Ford Bronco third brake light within the warranty period, simply feel free to send email first. We will sort things out together. Top reviews from the United States. Well-planned installation. The light fit perfectly over the old location. I was pleased with having a gasket that stayed in place while installing and sealed to the truck. There are even small seals for the 2 screws that go through the light. I only wish there had been new black screws included since my others have a little rust on them. Fully recommend.